The sphere's speed box is a quasi-infinite multiplier of torque and speed, depending on the number of spheres being used. If the transmission is done through dentate spheres and bridge discs, as it is shown in the figure with a speed box of only 3 spheres, when the spheres are inclined to the left, the transmission changes from small pinions to large pinions, increasing the speed and decreasing the torque of the last bridge disc. When the spheres are inclined to the right, the transmission changes from large pinions to small pinions, decreasing the speed and increasing the torque of the last bridge disc. The relation between the first and the last bridge disc speed is as shown, an exponential relation. In this curve, we can see the increase in the achieved speed with n number of bridge discs. In one of its multiple applications, and taking as an example an electric vehicle, we will use the speed box spheres as a total regenerative brake with the purpose of returning all the kinetic energy of the vehicle in way of electricity to its batteries, completely stopping it. In order to make this example more evident, we will only use a 2-sphere speed box. To have the vehicle in movement, the batteries move an electric motor, which, having the spheres inclined to the right, deliver enough force to have the vehicle moving. As it moves, the spheres are inclined to the left, sacrificing the initial force for a faster speed. Please note the decrease of the energy stored in the batteries. Now the spheres are totally inclined to the left and the vehicle reaches the top speed. The energy is still going from the batteries to the wheels. To start braking, the flux of energy is inverted, going from the wheels to the batteries, turning the motor into a generator. As the spheres are once again inclined to the right, the speed entering into the generator becomes faster and faster, achieving a very fast entrance speed to the generator even when the wheels are at the verge of being stopped, being able to continue braking and producing electric energy that returns to the batteries. Please note that the batteries are recharged and the vehicle has completely stopped. In this last stage, a clutch can release the generator from the speed box sphere system, obtaining energy even after the vehicle has stopped. Patent under process.